Oh, so yeah, we are in. So hey guys, so let's create our atom animation with HTML and CSS. First of all, I am going to create a new folder in here. Going to name this atom. Okay, then open up your Visual Studio Code. Okay, and click File and open your folder. This is in the desktop. So yeah, this is trust this and yes, say yes. So this is it, guys. So uh, create a new file that is index.html and just give a symbol in here and click okay, click enter and you will have the HTML files. So name this atom and also give a h1 tag what is atom and click save and open up the extension and the source here live server. You can see the live server here. The first one, read week D. So click install. Will take some time. Okay. You can see if I come here and I just click over this. This is nothing is showing. After installing this live server, if I now click over this, there is an option comes up. So open with live server. I click over that and it will open the live server. Allow access. So should copy this and open up our Google Chrome and paste in here and you should see that our atom is showing. Okay, this, yeah, this is the atom. Okay, it's showing in here the atom and this here. Okay, just like this and this. Okay, so uh let's head to the coding part. So we will need another file, so that is style.css and should link in the HTML in the head section. Okay, let's link the let's link the section. So uh type rel is equal to style sheet and need the href to be style.css style css, this the style css. Okay, so click save and we have the h1 tag here. We type h1 and give our background color, let's give aqua. Click save and open up that. Look, our css is importing just finally. So okay, let's code now. Let's get into our serious coding. So first of all we are going to need some divs in here. So make remove the h1 and make the div. Okay, give this class, the class should be wrapper. We also need another extension, that is okay, that extension with auto tag, auto rename tag. Okay, auto named paired html. Okay, just click install. It will give our tags. Can easily now create tags in our file. Okay, so we need another div. So if I type div, you can see the another div. The in div is automatically generated. So type here class circle. Okay, circle, this is going to circle 1. Okay, so copy this and control V and control V. Okay, this is going to circle 2 and this circle 3. Inside the circle we need the div. Okay, the div should have a ball, right? The movie rotation ball. So this should be ball 1. Okay, and copy again, just paste it and paste it. Okay, this should be 2 and this should be 3. Okay, if I save this and just go to here and check it, nothing is showing. But if I inspect this and go over in the body, you can see the wrapper and the circle 1, circle 2 and all the divs, right? So it's all of our divs are given perfectly. So now we are going to write our CSS. Okay, first of all remove it and type here star, and the padding should be 0 and the margin, also the margin should be 0. Okay, the box sizing should be border box. Okay, so click save and just open up, click refresh. You'll see nothing, but there is a difference. There is a lot of difference. Okay, after this we are going to give our HTML a CSS, that is the font of the HTML should be always 62.5%. Okay, after that we need to give some CSS to our body. The width should be 100%. And the height should be 100 px. The background color, okay, should be RGB. Okay, type here 46, and the second one should be 51, and the third one should be 80. After that we should give display should be grid, and place items should be center. Okay, just click save and check. Okay, the files is inside center. Okay, so everything is in the center. You can see the div here is in the center, showing in the center. So there is a wrapper we have given in the class name, so the wrapper should has some classes. So I'm going to give this wrapper should be, it should be 60 rem. Aspect ratio should be 1. Aspect ratio means this should come in the front. That's how we are going to make our rotation. Display should be grid, and place items should be center. All the wrapper contents should be center, and the perspective should be 100 rem. The perspective origin should be 76%, 27%. Okay, so then our circle should be, position should be absolute. The width should be 40 rem. The aspect ratio should be 1, and the border should be 0.1 rem. Dashed, and okay, so the circle also has a border radius that is 50%. That's how it's going to be circle. If I save this and check, yeah, our circle is showing nice, and the dashed also showing perfectly. Okay, so we are going to rotate this circle. So I'm going to transform style should be 3D, and the circle one should have the transform rotate Y. Okay, the rotation of the Y should be 70-degree angle, and we also need also a rotation X. So that's going to be 40-degree. Okay, so this should be 40-degree, and the animation should be circle anim 2 second minus after minus 1 second, and it should be infinite linear. Okay, so we are going to use animation, so there should be keyframe, right? So let's give this keyframes. It's going to be circle anim the same as the animation CSS gets anim. So there should be a 0% and okay, the copy this line of code, the transform from 0% to this transform. Okay, now copy the 0% and give this 10, so 0 to 100%. So this should be 0 and 40, and this also 40, but we also need one rotation because it's 3D, so there should be a rotation Z, that is 360 degree. Click save and open up. Yeah, you can see it's rotating very nicely. So yeah, we have completed our circle one, so we should also add. Okay, so let's let's make our ball. So there should be ball, the ball width 6 rem, aspect ratio should be 1. Okay, the background image radical gradient. Okay, the RGB should has a RGB 35. Two, 1, 4, 4, 0, and this should be 70%, and there should be another. So copy this and paste it. So click save and let's see what happens. Okay, there is our rotation of the ball. So this should have, the ball should have border radius 50%. Okay, the position should absolute, and top is minus 3 rem, and left should be calc 50% minus 3 rem. Okay, the top is divided by the left of 50%. So if I save this and check, there is a ball and it's rotating just finely. Okay, so yeah, it's nice, just fine. Okay, so the ball is showing, so there is the ball 1 should be transform, rotate y minus 90 degree, and the animation should be ball animation after 2 seconds. It's going to be infinite linear. So copy our keyframes, paste this in here, and we are using the ball frame, so copy this to our ball frame and give our rotation. This is going to just minus 90 degree, and also remove this and paste the rotation 90 degree, and also we need a rotation X. Okay, that is should be minus because it's going up 360 degree. Click save, and we should see that it's moving just finely. Yeah, so it's moving finely. So yeah, should remove the space, give a space in here and click save. Then should see that our ball moved here. So this is our number 2 circle rotation. So we should fix here. Just copy this and paste over here. So this should be our circle 2. So the rotation y should be 70 degree, and the x should be, this should be minus 40 degree. Okay, not this, not this, condo, and the keyframe, copy the keyframe and paste over here. Okay, this is the circle animation, should be circle 1 animation, circle 1. Okay, the circle 1. Okay, not this, this is circle 1. So this is circle 1 and this is the circle 1 animation, circle 1 animation. Okay, so this is number circle 2, and this should be circle 2 animation. So the circle 2 has the rotation X is 40 degree, so I'm going to give it minus 40 degree and copy this and just paste in the circle to animation. After that we need the Y rotation to be 70 degree. Okay, this should be there is the 1 second should be removed, and okay, I just need to put this in here, so this should be looks fine. So the circle 1 is gone, so the circle 2 is now. So circle 2 animation is 40 degree and 70 and 40. There should be a minus. If I save this and check, okay, it's moving finally. Okay, so yeah, it's moving inside it. So we should have the ball. Okay, we need the ball. Okay, we also need a minus in here. So this is going to be oil. Click save, and then it should see that the rotation is working finely. So now we have to make the ball 3D. Okay, so the ball 1 is here. We also need the ball 2. If we give this ball 2 here, so let's check what it's really think it's not working. So get the ball, we should add a dot in here. So that's how it's going to work, I think. Click save. Yeah, the 3D rotation is working finely, so should give a dot in here. So after that we need the circle number 3 animation, so copy all of this and just paste. Okay, this is going to be our circle number 3. So the number 3 rotation should be, this should be 180 degree, and this is going to be 90 degree. This is 70 and this should be 40. Think we're making this is going to be 180 degree, 180, and this is going to be 90 degree. Okay, after that need the rotation to be copied in here. And we need here 180. Okay, rotation, this should be Y and this should be X. X should be 90 degree, and the rotation Z should be 360 degree. It should be infinite linear. If I save this and let's check, okay, this thing is not Okay, this should be our number 3. This should be our 3 animation. So if I save this and check it, so you can see the rotation is showing and the ball also moving. So we have to make the ball into 3D. So I need the ball animation, so copy that and paste in here, and this is going to be ball number 3. Remove everything, should be ball number 3. Okay, transform X, the ball number 3 rotation is should be 90°, and we also need another rotation in here. The rotation is X. This should be 90°. So copy this and paste here. Okay, so this is our not going to our ball anim, this is going to our ball 3 anim. So it's going to be ball number 3. So this is like the 90°, and the transform is, this should be 90°, and the X should be 45°. Okay, 450°. Click save. Let's see our rotation. The ball is rotating. Okay, but I think I am mistaking something. So we have, think we have removed our ball anim, so that's why it's giving some problems. So just copy this and just Ctrl Z, Z. Okay, so and paste in here. Okay, last save this now, and let's see. It's working finely, but there is a rotation problem in here. We should give this, okay, minus 90° and remove the rotation X, and give this minus 60°, also minus 90°, and we are going to save this, and it's working just finely, I think. Yeah, it's rotating finely. Wow, it's looking well, isn't it? Yeah, so this is how we are going to we can make our ball animation. So yeah, it's fine. Okay, so there is a little thing we should do. There is the ball 3 animation. It's ball animation, right? This is the ball animation. So we should give here the ball 3. This animation is based on this animation. Just move this line over this 3. Okay, and save this, and you should see that our ball is rotating in the axis very nicely. Okay, so in the end we need to add some design into the core of our app. So circle 3 should be before uh, the content, give a empty string. So let's type the width equal to 32 rem. Okay, give this 12. After that, need this aspect ratio is 1, because we are going to rotate that. Okay, let's copy our radical background image into here, and after that, okay, we should give this RGB white, but we are going to need the position absolute, and the left should be 50%, and the top should be 50%, and the translate minus 50% minus 50%. Okay, the rotation Y should have variable 90°. Then we are going to give this border radius 50%. Okay, click save and see what is. Nothing is showing, I think. And why is that? Because their content the before of circle 3 this should be dark. Let's save this. Okay, nothing is showing, but why? Okay, there should be this should be rotation X. Click save, and you will see the some moving files that are edited. Okay, this is looking just very nice, and after this we need to add a animation. Animation is going to be main ball animation 52 seconds. It should be infinite linear. Okay, so let's copy the keyframes. Should add this string like this and move here. Main ball animation, copy that, turn in here. Okay, copy this our transform rotation and paste this here, and there should be a rotation Y. Okay, okay, this should be minus 360 degree. Click save and see. Okay, there should be a content. It's not coming. Okay, I should. So you're missing that. Okay, the before this content we should give a dot here. Click save and we should see that there is our center. Okay, if I give this like this, it's showing fine. So yeah, this is it guys, we have successfully completed to create our atom. Okay, so yeah, I will see you in the next video. So subscribe, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. So stay happy and stay good and healthy. So yeah, tada, bye bye.